As previously communicated to members, over the past 6 months, Cloud Financial Planning has been busy working with Avalon Financial Services and ASIC in obtaining our own Australian Financial Services licence. Things are progressing well with the application and we are hopeful of having an outcome later in the year. This will act as a key protection mechanism for both the organisation and you, the member. We remain conservatively minded on investment portfolios at this stage and continue to use a rational approach to investing. The US has never printed so much money before and has never spent it so quickly either. Some economists argue that government debt is no longer an issue in society. I would say if you believe that, then you must also believe in the tooth fairy. No one knows how much of this easy money can be printed. With the US being over $22 trillion in debt, and with a cash flow deficit of over $1 trillion per annum, the US finds itself in a precarious position, with many young people worried about their future, and rightly so. Much of this debt has found its way onto the share market, which is inflating share prices and creating a large divide between the rich and poor. Generally speaking, there is a large disconnect between share prices and what companies are earning. This has created a heightened level of risk, especially if interest rates were to increase. However, I expect this policy of excessive US government debt to continue if Donald Trump wins the next election or if Mike Bloomberg is elected president. On the contrary, in the unlikely event of Bernie Sanders, Elizabeth Warren or Joe Biden becoming the next US president, then I can foresee a change in direction, and with that would bring an increased taxation on the super wealthy and a major US share market correction. While there are still some shares which trade at fair valuations, these are becoming harder and harder to find. It is inevitable that share prices will once again realign themselves with company earnings. It is not until the tide goes out that you realise who's swimming naked. And so I am encouraging members to be selective with their investment choices. I wish you well, and please, get in contact should you wish to discuss anything further.